विनोद देसाई म्हणून एक थंयच रावतालो आमच्या वाड्यारच. ताणें लोकांक अशें तरी कोणाचीं नांवां पॉलिटिशियनाचीं नांवां घेवन कोणाची सीएमाची सिद्धार्थाचें म्हजें नांव घेवन लोकांक म्हणजे नोकरी दिता म्हणून पयशे खाल्ले अशी एक कंप्लेन आशिल्ली, कोणाचे पयशे घेतिल्ले खंय. मागीर त्या आयरिशान म्हणजे तो पयलीं म्हजें नांव तेणें हें केलें की म्हजो पयलीं तो एक्स एम्प्लॉय म्हणून आमचो एम्प्लॉय नाशिल्लो तो. आमी तेन्नाच कोर्ट हाका पुलिशेक बरोवन दिल्लें आनी ताका म्हाका ताणें विटनस घेतिल्लो आज विटनस जालें.
बुधवारा ही केस पणजे सत्र न्यायालयात आयिल्ली. ही जाली भाऊची साक्ष. मात फिर्यादीचो वकील म्हणटा विनोदाक भाऊ कडेन कांय वर्सां काम करतना खंय श्रीपाद भोसले म्हणटा त्या दुसऱ्या साक्षीदारान पळयला.
Union Minister for State for Defence, Mr. Shripad Naik, has today appeared in court as per the summons issued by the court and deposed before Panji JMFC in a cheating case that was filed by a Mercedes youth against a former staff member of Shripad Naik, Vinod Desai. So Shripad Naik has deposed that he knows the accused and the accused used to come to his house, but Shripad Naik in his deposition has denied that Vinod Desai was his staff member. But another witness who deposed also today, who also is from Ribandar, Shripad Bhosle, has testified before the court that he has seen Vinod Desai over the years working in the house of Shripad Naik at San Pedro. So he was, the accused Vinod Desai had promised Mervin Fernandez, a young boy from Mercedes, senior assistant job at the sector on payment of 6 lakhs, out of which 2 lakhs was taken by Vinod Desai as an advance. So having failed to get the job, Mervin Fernandez filed a case of cheating against Vinod Desai at the Old Goa police station, where a FIR has been registered under section 420 of the IPC.
विनोदाच्या 420 केशीत आता 2 श्रीपादांच्यो परस्पर विरोधी साक्षी. केंद्रीय मंत्री खरो उलयता काय फिर्यादीचो साक्षीदार. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि तुकाराम मराठे.